Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 9 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 maths and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter solve equations. And the lessons we're going to cover today are write and solve equations with that represents diagrams, solve one-step linear equations, and solve two-step linear equations. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is write and solve equations that represents diagrams. Let's just start with the first lesson, write and solve equations that represents diagrams. Okay, let's start with the first example. Write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. Combine the like terms. So basically the length of the both lines are exactly equal. Got it? The length of the red line is 24 and the length of the black line is divided into the segments. Got it? So basically the length of the black line is the sum of all these segments. It would be q plus 4 equals 24. Got it? Because both the lines have the same length. So you have to collect the like terms. Q and Q are the like term. They have the same variables. Just add them. Q plus Q equals 2Q. So it would be 2Q plus 4 equals 24. Got it? Let's start with the test questions. Okay. Write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. Combine the like terms. So the length of the red line is 16 and the length of the black line is j plus j. J plus j are the like terms, so just collect them. So it would be 16 equals 2j. Got it? It would be 16 equals, let me write it down on board. It would be 16 equals j plus j. So they are the like terms. Got it? Like terms mean they have the same variables. You just have to add their coefficients. So it would be 16 equals 1 plus 1 is 2. 16 equals 2j. Got it? That is the correct option. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So the length of the red line is 45. Now the length of the black line is divided into so many segments, and the length of each segment is g. Let's just count how many segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all of them have the same variable g. So they all are the like terms. So just add them. 9 g, they here you have g, 9 times g, so the sum is 9g. So the equation is 45 equals 9g. Got it? That is equation number 1. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. Combine like terms. So the length of the red line is 27 and the length of the black line is divided into two segments. One of them is 2w and one of them is w. So it is 27 equals 2w plus w. So they have the same variables. They are the like terms. Just collect their coefficients. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 27 equals 3w. Got it? So it is 27 equals 3w. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line, combine the like terms. So which is the correct option? The length of the red line is 18 and black line is divided into two segments and their length is s. So it would be 18 equals s plus s. So s plus s is 2s. So it is 18 equals 2s. Got it? So the correct option is 18 equals 2s. Option number 3 is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write the equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. Combine the like terms. So the length of the red line is 6 and the length of the black line is divided into two segments. So the length of the segments, sum of length of the segments is the length of the black line. So it would be p plus 3. Got it? They are not the like terms. Got it? Like terms are the one that have the same variables. Got it? So the equation is 16 equals p plus 3. Got it? So the equation is 6 equals p plus 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So which is the correct option? The length of the red line is 15 and the length of the black line is divided into three segments and the segments are 3j plus j plus j. So they have the same variable. They are the like terms. Just collect the like terms. So it would be 3, 4 and 5. So it would be 5j. Got it? So 15 equals 5j. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. 15 equals 5j is the correct option. Okay, the next one is write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So which is the correct option? The length of the red line is 29 and the length of the black line is the length of the segments. Got it? It would be h plus 7h plus 5. 7h and h are the like segments. So you can just have the like variable, you can just add them. So it would be 29 equals 8h plus 5. Got it? The correct option is 29 equals 8h plus 5. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line, combine like terms. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is 15 equals q plus 5. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line, combine the like terms. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1, w equals 25 equals 2w plus 5 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is solve one step linear equations. So let's just start with the next lesson. So you have one step linear equations. So let's just solve them. Equation number one is example number one is 2 equals w divided by 3. 2 equals w divided by 3. So you have to find the variable value of the w. Got it? So you need to remove that 3 that is dividing by the w. Got it? So opposite to division is multiplication. Let's just multiply both sides by 3. Got it? 3 and 3 cancel out, and 2 times 3 is 6. That means the value of the variable w is 3. Got it? Let's just start with the practice question and do as many practice questions as we can. Okay, solve for z. Z plus 7 equals 9. Z plus 7 equals 9. So you have to find the value of the variable z. Got it? So you have to remove that 7 from the right hand side. So 7 is adding to the equation. That means you need to subtract 7. Both sides it would be z plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 9 minus 7. Got it? So 7 minus 7 is 0. You're left with z here. And 9 minus 7 is 2. That means the value of z equals 2. Got it? So the correct option is z equals 2. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2k equals 2. So you have to calculate the value of k. 2k equals 2. So basically you have to calculate the value of k. So you need to remove that 2 that is multiplying to k. Got it? So opposite to multiplication is division. 2 is multiplying to k. So opposite to multiplication is division. Divide both sides by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, you are left with k here, and 2 times 1 is 2, you are left with 1 here. That means k equals 1. Got it? So the correct option is k equals 1. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 times 3.7 equals m divided by 4. Basically, the 3 times 7 means 3.7. Let me see. Yes, it's 3.7 equals m over 4. Got it? So you have to calculate the value of m. That means you need to multiply both sides by 4. Got it? Because opposite to division is multiplication, so it's just multiply both sides by 7. Got it? So 4 and 4 got cancelled out. You are left with m. And 4 times 7 is 28, and 2 carry 4 times 3 is 12, and 2 14. So it would be 14.8. Got it? So that means the value of m equals 14.8. So m equals 14.8. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is f plus 11 equals 20. F plus 11 equals 20. So you have to calculate the value of f. So you need to remove that 11 here, 11 from here. Got it? So that means you can subtract both sides by 11, because opposite to addition is subtraction. So let's just subtract both sides by 20. So it is f plus 11 minus 11 equals 20 minus 11. Got it? So 11 minus 11 makes 0. You are left with f here. And 20 minus 11 is 9. Got it? That means f equals 11. Got it? So the correct option is f equals 11. Just select the correct option and click on the f equals 9. 20 minus 11 is 9. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2 equals w divided by 3. 2 equals w divided by 3. So you need to calculate the value of w. You need to remove that 3 from here. So w is dividing to 3. So opposite to division is multiplication. So let's just multiply by 3. So it will be 3 times 3 and w equals 3 times 2 is 6. That means the value of w equals 3. Got it? So the correct option is w equals 6. So the correct option is 6. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is w plus 1 equals 19.6. So you have to w plus 1 equals 19.6. So you have to have to subtract 1 from the both sides because you need to calculate the value of w only. So it would be 1 minus 1 and 19.6 minus 1. So it would be 1 and 1 got cancelled out. You are left with w, and 19 minus 1 is 18.6. That means the value of w is 18.6. Got it? So the correct option is 18.6. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is solve two-step linear equations. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is solve two-step linear equations. So let's start with the first example, that is 2y minus 2 equals 6. Now you have to solve the linear equations, but they are the two-step equations now. 2 minus 2 equals 6. So first you have to remove that 2 from here. Got it? Because you need to calculate the value of y. So first remove that 2. So 2 is subtracting from 2y. So opposite subtraction is addition. Let's just add to both sides. Got it? So 2 minus 2 makes 0. You are left with 2y here. And 6 plus 2 is 8. Now you need to calculate the value of y only. You have to remove that 2 from here. So divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. You are left with y, and 2 times 4 is 8. That means y equals 4. So basically these are the two steps. One step is you have to remove that 2, and the second step is you have to remove. So these are the two. So that's why they are called two-step linear equations. Got it? So the correct option is y equals 4. Okay, let's start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. They are already solved. That's why I'm moving to the test questions. Okay, the next one is w over 2 minus 1 equals 1. W over 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, so the first step is you have to remove that negative 1. So opposite to subtraction is addition. So let's just add both sides 1. Got it? 1 minus 1 is 0. You are left with w over 2, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Got it? You need to calculate the value of w only. Here w is dividing by 2. So opposite to division is multiplication. Got it? Here 2 is cancelled out. You are left with w here, and 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? So the correct option is w equals 4. The next one is 2v plus 9, 2v plus 3 equals 9. 2v plus 3 equals 9. So first of all, you have to remove that 3 from here. 3 is adding. That means you need to subtract 3 both sides because opposite to subtraction is addition. Got it? 3 minus 3 makes 0. You are left with 2v here, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So you have to divide both sides by 2. So you're left with v equals 2 times 3 is 6. That means the value of v equals 3. Got it? So the correct option is v equals 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 1 equals p over 3 minus 1. Okay, so first of all, you have to remove that negative 1 from here. So just add negative 1 both sides, because opposite to subtraction is addition. Got it? 1 minus 1 makes 0 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and here you have 2 equals p over 3. Got it? P is dividing to 3, so opposite to division is multiplication. Let's just multiply by 3. 3 and 3 cancel out, so you are left with p equals 2 times 3 is 6. Got it? So the correct option is p equals 6. So the correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is 3 plus 2s equals 9. 3 plus 2s equals 9. So first of all, you have to remove that 3 from here. So you need to subtract both sides by 3, because 3 is adding here. So opposite to addition is subtraction. So 3 minus 3 0, you're left with 2s here, and 9 minus 3 is 6. Got it? So just divide both sides by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. So that means s equals 3. Got it? So the correct option is s equals 3. Okay, the next one is g divided by 2 minus 2 equals 1. So first of all, you have to remove that 2, add 2 both sides. So 2 minus 2 is 0. You are left with g over 2 here, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Got it? So opposite to division is multiplication. So let's multiply both sides by 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. That means g equals 6. Got it? So the correct option is g equals 6. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is solve for t. 8 equals 10 minus 2t. Okay, so first of all, you have to remove that 10 from here. 10 is adding here. So just subtract both sides by 10. 8 minus 10 equals 10 minus 10 minus 2t. So 10 minus 10 makes 0, and 8 minus 10 is negative 2. Negative 2 equals negative 2t. So you have to remove that negative 2, divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2, negative 2 cancel out. You are left with t here. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So that means t equals 1. Got it? So the correct option is t equals 1. Okay, next one is 7 equals 5 plus 2b. So You have to remove that 5 from here. 5 is adding. So just subtract 5 both sides. So it would be 7 minus 5. 5 minus 5 plus 2b. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 5 makes 0 and here you are left with 2b. Divide both sides by 2. So it would be b equals 1. Got it? So the correct option is b equals 1. Okay, the next one is 2y minus 2 equals 6. 2y minus 2 equals 6. So you have to remove that 2 from here. 2 is subtracting. That means you have to add opposite to subtraction is addition. So it would be 6 plus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. You are left with 2y here and 6 plus 2 is 8. So divide both sides by 2. Y equals 2 times 4 is 8. So it is y equals 4. Got it? So y equals 4. So the correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is solve for t. T over 4 minus 2 equals 2. So here you have 2. 2 is subtracting from here. From this side, so opposite to subtraction is addition. That means you are going to add 2 both sides. So it would be 2 minus 2 is 0. You are left with t over 4 equals 2 plus 2 is 4. Now you have to remove that 4 from here. 4 is dividing. So opposite to division is multiplication. So let's just multiply. So t equals 4 times 4 is 16. Got it? So the correct option is t equals 16. So the correct option is t equals 16. Solve for g. 10 equals g plus 2 over plus 8. 10 equals g plus 2 g over 2 plus 8. So you have to remove 8 from here. So you have to subtract 8 both sides. So it would be 10 minus 8 equals g over 2 plus 8 minus 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 equals g over 2. Got it? So you have to multiply 2 both sides. So it would be g equals 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? So the correct option is g equals 4. So the correct option is g equals 4. Okay, s divided by 4 minus 2 equals 1. S divided by 4 minus 2 equals 1. So first of all, you have to remove 2 from here. So 2 is subtracting from here, just add 2 both sides. So 2 minus 2 is 0. It is s over 4 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. Got it? You have to multiply both sides by 4. So it would be s over 4 times 4, and 3 times 4 is 14. So 4 and 4 got cancelled out, and s equals 4 times 3 is 12. Got it? S equals 12 is the correct option. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3z plus 1 equals 10. 3z plus 1 equals 10. So 10, 1 is adding to this side, so just subtract 1 both sides. 1 minus 1 is 0. You are left with 3z equals 10 minus 1 is 9. Divide both sides by 3. So z equals 3. Got it? So the correct option is z equals 3. So the correct option is z equals 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 plus 2z equals 11. So subtract 3 both sides. So it would be 3 minus 3 plus 2z equals 11 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. You are left with 2z equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. So it is z equals 4. Got it? So the correct option is z equals 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3n minus 1 equals 2. 3n minus 1 equals 2. So you need to calculate the value of n. So first of all, you have to remove that negative 1. So opposite to subtraction is addition. Just add 1 both sides. It would be 3n minus 1 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1. Got it? 1 minus 1 is 0. So we're left with 3n equals 3. Got it? Just divide both sides by 3. So we are left with n equals 1. Got it? So the correct option is n equals 1. Got it? So the correct option is n equal 1. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 7 minus 2s equals 1. 7 minus 2s equals 1. So you have to remove that 7 from here. 7 is adding. Just subtract 7 both sides. So here you have 7 minus 2s equals 1 minus 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0. So you are left with negative 2s, and 1 minus 7 is negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 2. So negative 2 cancel out. S equals 2 times 3 is 6. So the correct option is S equals 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is 2 equals m over 4 minus 2. Okay, first of all, we have to remove that 2. So just add 2 both sides. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and here you have m over 4. Now you have to remove that 4. So just multiply both sides by 4. 4 and 4 cancel out. So you are left with m equals 4 times 4 is 16. Got it? So m equals 16. So the correct option is m equals 16. Okay, the next one is 19 equals 4q plus 3. So you have to remove that 3 from here. So subtract both sides from 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 19 minus 6 is 33 is 16. 16 equals 4q. So just divide both sides by 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So q equals 4. Got it? So the correct option is Q equals 4. Okay, the next one is K over 3 minus 3 equals 1. Okay, you have to move that negative 3 to the other side. So just add 3 both sides. So it is K over 3, 3 minus 3 is 0 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we have to remove that 3. 3 is dividing, so opposite to division is multiplication. So multiply both sides by 3. So K equals 4 times 3 is 12. Got it? So K equals 12 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 2P minus 3 equals 3. So move that negative 3 to the other side. So you have to add both sides. You have to add 3 both sides. 3 minus 3 is 0. Q, 2Q equals 6. Now divide both sides by 2. So Q equals 2 times 3 is 6. So that means Q equals 3. Got it? So the correct option is Q equals 3. Okay, the next one is S over 2 minus 1 equals 2. Add 1 both sides. So it is S over 2 equals 3. Now you have to remove that 2 from here. Multiply both sides by 2. So you are left with S equals 2 times 3 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Got it? Okay, we are done with the test. So we are working on grade 9 maths. So we're working on grade 9 maths. The chapter we're working on is solve equations. And the lesson we have completed today are write and solve equations that represents diagrams. Then stop solve one-step linear equations. And the one we just completed is solve two-step linear equations. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with the lessons, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.